We have Arty Farty Dude and Capybara. We're going to give them some celery to munch on. And Luna Bean, their mama. I wanted their mama to eat celery with them. Let's see if they actually do that. Guys. Look, Luna Bean wants to eat the celery. Guys. Oh my goodness. Luna Bean, run. Oh no. Oh no, boys. It's just your mama. Can your mama not eat some celery with you? All right. Come on. Celery. Focus on the celery. Look, Mama Luna just wants to eat some celery. Why don't you just want to eat some celery? Okay. Oh, Capybara wants to eat some celery. Arty Farty Dude. The big hearty dude. Artemis. Here. Here you go, Mama. Oh, now you guys will eat. Okay. Oh, Capybara. Artemis. Mama Luna doesn't want kisses right now. Eat your celery. Thank you. Thank you. Really, Luna, you gotta put your paw on it to keep it safe? I see how it is. What is it, Arty Farty Dude? The big hearty dude. See, Capybara is chill. What are you doing? Fine, Luna can have the big piece. You dingus? You dang dingus? Don't steal that piece of celery too, Capybara. Don't do it. So rude. Don't do it. I gave you a piece. It's underneath you right now. Look, it's right here somewhere. What? Where is it at? Capybara? Oh, Capybara's got both of them. Here, you have that. Capybara, you have that. Luna Bean will have the big piece. Perfect. Capybara. Artemus. Arty, miss. Luna Bean. This the big old mama queen. Luna Bean. Silly dudes. Silly dudes.